Some villagers in Haridwar have attacked Yog Guru Baba Ramdev's food park, Patanjali Food and Herbal Park. The truck at the park, now several trucks were vandalized by locals. This is the latest information that is coming in. Baba Ramdev's brother Ram Bhagat was arrested by the police after clashes broke out between the truck drivers union and the security guards at the food park. The protesters allege that Baba Ramdev's aides fired several rounds in the air. The protesters then vandalized a dozen trucks at Baba Ramdev's food park. One person, we are told, has died. 4 others have been injured in this incident. Now, according to sources, the clashes between security officials of the food park and the truck union took place because local truck drivers were demanding the right to park their trucks in the food park. Police suspect that Baba Ramdev's younger brother Ram Bhagat is allegedly involved in this. He has been arrested and has been taken for interrogation. This is ugly, and one person has reportedly been killed. Several are injured. There were reports of Baba Ramdev's security using weapons, and was this one person killed in weapon firing? It is still not clear, but the protesters allege that Baba's security, the security guards who were armed, they opened fire at the crowd. That is the allegation that is being leveled. You can see in these pictures that police has been deployed in this area. Baba's brother has been taken into custody. He's being questioned. Shiv Arur, my colleague, joins me with the latest. Shiv, what more can you tell us?
Gaurav, this was a violent clash that involved guns being fired, weapons being used, just meters outside Ramdev's ashram in Haridwar. We understand that at least 12 or 13 trucks had tried to apparently find place to park right outside the yoga ashram, the Patanjali Yoga Ashram in Haridwar, right next to a food park also operated by Baba Ramdev's institution. After which there was some kind of a provocation or some kind of a clash that took place between the guards of the ashram and the truckers, the truck drivers themselves. It was a very violent clash, is what we're given to understand, and one person actually lost his life. We don't know the identity of the person just yet, but apparently one person lost his life in this particular clash. And Ram Bharat, who is the own brother of Baba Ramdev, has been arrested by the police for his suspected involvement in this particular violence. The police who we're in touch with haven't specified precisely what they suspect the involvement of Baba Ramdev's brother actually is, but they said that they believe that he was in some way involved, and that's why he's been arrested at this time.
Okay, Shiv, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.